Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to make your first game in Roblox Studio in 2025 so you can start creating and sharing it with friends. First, open your Roblox Studio and click New Project. Choose a template like OB Racing or Classic Base Plates. If you want a blank word, templates are the fastest way to get started. To make your game interactive, use Explorer and Properties panel. For example, you can insert spawn points, players at checkpoints, or place coins to collect. Roblox Studio automatically handles a lot of scripting. But you can also add pre-made script from Toolbox if you are not coding yet. Use the toolbox on the left to drag in models, parts, or free assets. You can build platforms, add decoration, or design a map just by clicking and practicing. When you are happy with your design, click play and test your game. Run through it like a player would, fix anything that doesn't work smoothly. Finally, to publish your game by clicking File, Publish to Roblox, give it a name, description, and set a privacy to public. Everyone can play. And that's it, you've just made your first Roblox game in Studio. Build, test, publish, and share. It's that easy in 2025. Thanks everyone for watching.